So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can run Java and JavaScripts in your Visual Studio Code. For example, if you have recently installed the Visual Studio, you won't be able to compile it because you need an extension now. In order to do it, just simply let me first open my VS Code, and in this left panel, you're gonna find this option that is extension. Once you click over there, all you need to do is to just simply in the search bar type Java, and once you type it, and let me just now here gonna see language support for Java. When you simply install this one, open this one, and if it is not installed, you just need to install it. And once it gets installed, you're easy to compile your Java language, or same goes for JavaScript as well. When you type a JavaScript, and you'll able to install the extension of a JavaScript as well. Here you're gonna see it's currently installed. If it's not, just simply install it. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.